Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create nonverbal communication cards using Canva. So starting off, I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to go to custom dimensions because I want to put in the specific dimensions that I want for the card. So I'm going to work with a 5x4. Let me change this to inches. So redo this part. So that's 5x4 inches. Next, I'm going to click on create new design. So guys, given that it's nonverbal communication cards that I'll be creating, I'll just show you a few of them that you can do, and of course based on you and the type, the specific ones that you want to have, you can always search through Canva for those ones. So basically I'm going to put a picture to represent that form of communication, as well as the words that matches it on the cards. So I'm starting off with happy. So I'm just typing that. First of all, let me go to photos, and I'm just going to check what photos have for happy, and if it doesn't have the image that I need, then I'll just go to elements and look at what they have, or look at what's down there. So I think I want to work with more like clip art type photos. So I'm going to go to elements and type that in. So happy, maybe I should type in happy clip art and see what comes up as clip art. Or let me just type in the word happy. Okay, should I work with emojis? Or so guys, here you have options. You can work with emojis or emoticons, as well as you can work with actual clip art type images, or you can work with actual pictures like you saw in photos. So you do have a bit of options in terms of the ones that you can work with to represent that particular nonverbal communication. So I'm going to work with this one. So guys, there are free images here, but I'll be working with some of the ones that I choose will be the ones that are available to me on the Pro version of Canva, because that's the version that I have. So depending on you, if you have the free version or the Pro version, then you have these specific ones available to you. So this first one is happy, so I'm going to press T on my keyboard so I can get this text box popping up, and now I'm going to type in the word happy. So now I'm just going to drag the text box to make the word bigger, and then I'm going to just center it. So that one is done. Then I'm going to just click on add page to move on to the next one. So the next one that I'm going to do is sad. So it's right here, the word is popping up right there, as you can see guys. So I'm just going to click on that and see what comes up. So I believe I'll just work with the emojis, these ones, rather than like clip art images of people. So I'm just going to work with that. So this is good to have, guys, if you're dealing with persons, working with, if you're a teacher and you're dealing with kids, or you're just about anyone who has someone that you interact with who prefers to communicate in a nonverbal manner. then making cards like this and having them communicate with you via these types of cards will be helpful, especially if these persons or even the child has issues expressing him or herself verbally. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. So this one is sad. Let me center it some more. So guys, I am leaving mine on this plain background, but of course you could, you could change up the background color, make it just about any color you want it to be, depending on what you want to work with. As you see here, I'm just showing you what it looks like, with different color backgrounds and all of that. Okay, so on to the next one. I'm going to go with mad. As in you're angry, mad. You're feeling mad. So I'm going to choose this one. This one that I'm choosing now is a free one that is here. So text box. Okay, I guess I have this in white. Let me change the color of the text. And I should have changed the font style before I continued, because let me change it from now, because I want to use Anton as the font style. So I'm just going to go ahead and change it before I continue with any more of these cards. Okay, that's good. Going down the line. Sad and mad. Okay, moving on. The next one, I'm just going to scroll through the words that are here. See if there is any more that I want to work with. Which one did I click on? Scared. This more looks like surprised. I guess this one can work for scared. Okay, so that's scared. I want to add one for hungry, so I'm going to type in hungry now. Of course, like, look at this, guys. There's this, well, this one is a pro one, but you could even have one like this where it's just the word hungry done like this here without a pictorial representation. It's like that. So you could have that as an option, or of course so this is an option, as I said, or going back up. This is more like drooling. I think I'm going to have to use this one because I think this best conveys the hunger or the need to eat some food, I guess. So guys, I'm going to stop here, but I'm sure from this you are seeing that you can definitely come to Canva and you can find free images to work with to create your nonverbal communication card. These are just a very few of the ones that you can create, and of course you can always, you know, decorate your card the way you want it. So guys, yes, so this is it. Let me know. So guys, this is it. Let me know if you found this video useful. Let me know if you'll be creating these types of cards. Let me also know what types of videos you'd like to see. You can always send me an email or, you know, leave a comment in the comment section below. My email is in the description box, so go there and check if you'd wish to communicate with me outside of just messaging me in the comment section. So that's it guys.